should be skinny dipping in a moonlit lake. Instead, I'm crushed against the door, and I don't know how much more I can take.
How has there not been a motel yet?
We should be splishy splashing.
There's one up around that curve, I bet.
Some underwater smashing.
Look, nobody's happy we're missing the lake. Okay. But it's literally life and death at stake. I just keep driving through, 'cause what else can I do? This was not what I had in mind on this vacation.
Let's pull over right up there, stretch our legs and get some air. We don't need to forge ahead in irritation. We could be eating s'mores and passing out drunk in the grass,
But it looks like it might rain.
this vacation is a pain in the ass.
This was supposed to just be fun, to toast the end of another year. Out of the classroom and into the sun, with our friends and Chad's also here. How did it already go so wrong? Summer fun should not be dangerous. Now we can't even do what we planned all along. 'Cause some psycho might murder us. You're making it sound like that killer's following us. We're not in danger. We just don't get to stay at the lake house. But I don't need some house on a lake. It doesn't matter what we do. All that we need is the fun we make. I just want to spend